Hello friends, Sam here. So today we will see in Salesforce Lightning there are three primary tools we use: Object Manager, App Launcher and App Manager. Okay, so most of the time I have seen people get confused in that. Of course, beginner level people get confused in that. So quickly I'm going to tell use of all these three tools. So where they are, let us see that where these three tools are there. Once you log in to your Salesforce Lightning, you will see at the top there is Object Manager. Then here you can see 9 dots appearing. So that will open App Launcher. And in Quick Find, whenever you type, let's say app, and you will see App Manager over here. Okay, so Object Manager, App Launcher and App Manager, where they are lying in your interface, you just seen that. What is the use of Object Manager? So it deals with object schemas. Whenever you want to deal with schema of the object, let's say you want to add a field, you want to add the relationship and all, you want to play around with the schema of the object, or you wanted to play around with the page layout of the object or anything related to object structure, then Object Manager is the right tool to use. So you will go here and you can see that I will go to Object Manager, and in Object Manager I'll see account, activity, all that objects are appearing over here. So it shows you, let's say, custom object as well. So if you go to any object, you can play around with field and relationship and everything related to object structure, object definition, not with the data, with object schema. So that's what will be Object Manager, right? So that is what. Then next is App Launcher. Whenever your app is already there, let's say sales, service, marketing, this standard app, or your own app is already created, then to open that app and play around with the object data, you have to use App Launcher. So to open already created apps, you have to use App Launcher, right? Where app is already created and you want to play around with the data. Let's say I want to play around with the employees data, which is in the employees tab, which is a part of my company app, which is my custom app. So let's say I go here and I will go on App Launcher, and there I will search for my app. So my company, this is my app. I'll go there and it will open all that tabs in my app. So currently I'm in my company app, and I'm just clicking on the employee tab and I'm playing around with the data. That is what is App Launcher. Okay, let me come back to the main menu. I'm just clicking on setup and I will be coming on the main menu where I was already there. Okay, that is what App Launcher. Whenever you wanted to get into settings of app, so app settings. So for example, my company, you wanted to do some settings. My company, you wanted to add some new tabs to my company. So at app level, if you want to see settings of that app, you will go to App Manager. It is used to manage the app. The way like App Launcher is used to launch the app, right? Here we do have App Manager to manage the app. So for example, I'll go to Quick Find, I'll type App Manager over here and I'll open that App Manager. You can see that I'm going to App Manager and I will see all these apps present over here. So let's say my company app, it's already there. I can open that and I can basically edit that. You can say I can go here, I can edit that. So let me show you. Have a look on this. So let's say, so here you can see edit is there and I can go to my company, I can go to edit and I can open the app, which I want to open. So let's say here I'm opening app settings So app name you want to change, developer name you want to change, image you wanted to change, and all that, you know. So whenever you wanted to play around with the app settings, you will go to app manager. So that's what. I hope this is useful. Object manager to play around with the object schemas, app launcher to open already created app to launch the app, and app manager to play around with the settings of different apps. That's what are three key tools. I hope after watching this video, you will not have any confusion in these three tools. Okay, just I do have two news to share with you. I started my video series on Salesforce, MuleSoft, TIBCO. So the idea is I want to deliver one value pack video once in a week to your WhatsApp. So take advantage of that. Below this video somewhere, the registration link might be there. Go there and register for that. Okay, and your videos will be started from this week itself. Take advantage of that. That are really game changer videos. Hundreds of videos are there, and it does magic for you if you get one video in a week. Another news I do have is like I started free career consultancy call for 15 minutes